Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to look at the question paper of September 2023, and this is a common assessment task. So we're going to look at section A of that question paper. So the first question reads, a study strategy that could help you to study effectively could include. So we have various responses that we have there. So the correct one, studying over a longer period of time. Is the most appropriate. So we have C as the correct answer. So moving on to the second part, the Labor Relations Act. So we try to see what we have in the second part. The Labor Relations Act, Act 66 of 1935 allows for the dismissal of workers based on it's based on a worker's general performance. That is a D. This is a correct response. So we go to the next part, number 3. An example of embezzlement could be A, using a company's resources for personal gain is the correct response. To discuss an issue in an examination question paper means to demonstrate your reasoning skills. So this is the most appropriate according to what we have. So we go to number 5. The government has a duty to lawfully restrict freedom of expression to some extent. So the most appropriate response according to that sentence is if you go to a B, for reasons of public principles. So we have B. So moving on to the next part, which is now 1.2. I give one word or term for each of the following questions that we are given. So on the first part, it reads, shared beliefs, customs, activities, traditions, values, religions, ideas are common to a particular group of society. So what do we call that? So you'd see that this is culture. So it is represented by a culture. So we have culture as the correct response. We go to a strong sense of suitability to follow a particular career, job, profession, or occupation. We can call it a calling. So according to our responses, we have a calling or a vocation. Number 3, the act of using technology to intentionally harass or intimidate someone by sending messages of a threatening nature, we call it cyberbullying or online bullying. So on the next question, set 2 benefits of managing stress appropriately, which could improve your quality of life. So this is how you can manage your stress appropriately. You may experience a better, these are benefits. You may experience better physical and emotional health, have a better chance of achieving your goals, be able to build or sustain healthier relationships, avoid psychological problems. So these are some of the points that we can include. And also become a happier person, or we can also include be able to make better or more rational decisions. So we have got further points that are also correct that we can also include. And then the next question is saying explain the term nation building, whereby it refers to it may refer to people of a country coming or working together or being united to achieve a common goal or support national representatives. So basically, that's what we have. And then, also alternatively, a shared sense of community among a population. We've got further responses that we can include according to the explanation on nation building. Then move on to, we've got further points on nation building that we can include a process whereby individuals and groups interact to establish social relations. In other responses. Then I'll go to 1.3.3, discuss one benefit of scanning as a reading skill. It may help you to quickly find specific information, which may save time when searching for particular data. Also reduce your reading time. So also easily find keywords within a text. So these are the points that we can include in terms of 1.3.3. And also further points that can also be correct. Then 1.4.1, explain what it means to adapt to changes in social circumstances. It means that you may have to interact with new people, cultures, or make new friends, which could help you to cope with your new circumstances, feel less isolated, and get used to new ways of thinking, and develop the necessary social skills, and learn different ways. So these are the points that we have. Further points that we also have that are also correct in terms of 1.4.3. Then 1.4.2, discuss one advantage of living in a globalized world for your career development. So globalized world is a world that is interconnected with other countries. When your country that you are in is interacting with other countries, that's a globalized world. It may offer you opportunities for lifelong learning, since we may always have to you may have access to worldwide platforms or institutions of learning, increased employment possibilities, since with the globalization comes increased career options. So further points that we also have that are also correct. That 1.4.3 suggests one way in which you could prepare yourself to successfully adapt to global changes in the world of work. So these are the points. You could constantly look into global developments in order to stay abreast of what is important to the global job market. And also further points, continuously upskill yourself technologically to ensure that you know how to use digital information on any given platform. Opening yourself up to different perspectives or world views, or use opportunities to develop strong interpersonal skills in order to positively connect with others in the global world of work. So further points that we also have that are also correct. And this marks at the end of our section A. And of course, our section A has a total of 20 marks. Thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. And please, let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel, and share the link to our colleagues who are doing grade core life orientation. As for this video, I'm signing out. We'll meet again in the next video.